Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use E208 for online operation. First, connect the controller light and PC. Create a new project. We set up the hardware. Select the PC as the host, E208 as the slave. Select the chip, channel, etc. Set up and select the network card. The specific settings of the network card are as follows. You can open the advanced settings option in the network. Select Ethernet IPv4. Set in its properties. Add effects. We can start online operation. Click play. We can see the corresponding effect of the light fixture. The above is all about online operation using E208. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.